Hello YouTube viewers, another toy review. It's on the Bionicle stars Rahashi. Rahashi. See, window comes and put light on the figure. Okay. Oh, excuse me. Okay, so as you can see, it's Rahashi. I think that's how you pronounce it. Rahashi. Yeah. I think that's pretty close. Yeah. Unless someone tells me how to say it right, I'm gonna continue with Rahashi. Anyway, let's get this baby open. This is the top, and as you know, they're all different colors. The front picture is probably one of my favorite Bionicle pictures for the stars because look at it. Again, the back is, it shows all of these guys. How to make the golden one. Nothing special at all, really. Oh no, these had to be so specific. This one, this one, and this one. Technova, Grish, and Kyra. Because they're all the same piece. Wow. We're pretty close to it anyway. Yeah, sorry, I've been a little brain dead today. I was like that at school and stuff, so. Whoa. Yeah, I took them apart. Just for you guys. Crud. Naruto stuff keeps on falling. Yeah, sorry this has been a little bit. I've just been a little brain dead. Anyway. So this is the mask. Nothing really special. Here's the headpiece. Which is, well, pretty boring. But it still works. I mean, it's better than having like a Glittorian head. And this figure comes with a bunch of pieces, like the old Bionicle style bodies. A bunch of this. Anyway. Put these in there like that, so it looks like he's got like two little turn things to. And you put these in. Looks a little weird. Put the head in. This ball right here has to go right past this. I need the other one. And you have to put in. It's really tight and kind of pulls his head up. And here's one articulation point. The head. Of course, it's really limited. Can have it up so far. I mean, yeah, you can have it up, but you can't have it really up. And you can't have it down. That's pretty much the most you can get it down, just that bit. His arms. my hand a little bit. Both arms have ball-jointed shoulders and hands. Alright, explain that, so yeah. Taiyu'd review has that. Yeah, I probably should skip most of this, but yeah, so he looks pretty cool. Without it, of course, I already know what he looks like because he's already been fully built and, you know, in pieces about 40, 60 times probably. I don't know why, I just like to take him apart and rebuild him. So here he is all built, technically. Then you need this. These two. Turn his hands. Looks a little weird, like he's gonna go grab you and then just kick you. Like, put the little black thing into the hands. Have to be at least that wide apart. Then, of course, put this and this in. And there you have it. Rahashi fully built. Let's do a size comparison. Something I don't normally do, but, you know, some people have done this. Except not exactly with this. A Gatorade bottle! Yeah. A great flavor. Good flavor. Oh man. He is smaller. Oh! They could be exactly the same size. I can't really tell. He is bigger. Just by a hair. Oh, for once he actually held on to his weapons while falling. For mine, the weapons fall out really bad, but right now they aren't, so. Let's get one more scale in with Takanova. Yeah, this is the second Bionicle review of Wave 2 of the expected reviews. So yeah, this is a really nice figure. He's got, you know, all of his articulations are ball and socket, so, you know, you can go woo, do a bunch of crazy stuff, and you can have him in a bunch of poses, like in Dragon Ball Z poses, like you can even have him mid-falling almost, if you can balance him. If you can balance him. Anyway. Check something. Just the time. So yeah, so you can have him like at a mid-falling point where he's like flying back like ah. Or this is good because most Dragon Ball Z figures can do it, but then they're usually gonna break or they get really bad after doing this so many times. Going back and you can have him go whoa, you know, kick. Of course with the weapon it's limited, it can't go all the way around unless you pull it out. And, yeah. I do like his feet. As you can see, his hands are painted, you know, golden. His is silvered. Taiyu's are red. Yeah, so overall this figure's really nice. I'm gonna give it a 4.5 out of 5 because of, you know, dirt. Oof. No. Because of, you know, the limited articulation in the head, and that's it. And he really does look like his bigger scale one. His bigger scale, you know, type where he's like huge. I don't get why they just didn't redo him in their normal size. You know. Oh well. So yeah, overall this is a nice figure. And, well, I guess I'll see you guys later.